Hi folks, this is Anne Marie, and these are the monthly results for September in the Silver and Gold membership. As you know, I put out trades every single week for us to run through based on the breakout, and these are the results that we are running in our portfolio. Gold this month, 26 winning segments, 8 losing segments, win rate 76%, biggest winner 124.2, average winner 40.5, biggest loser negative 44.3, average loser negative 30. And of course we use options to run these sorts of results. Certainly going to be hard pressed to find too many stocks that run 124% in a month. And so let's have a look at how those were. We had a pretty good number of them, as you can see right here. The biggest winner coming from a Yahoo trade. The biggest loser coming from 3D, which we did step out just above it. This thing's got to clear about 55.70. A lot of sellers up there. Once those guys are clear, we'll be able to move again with this space, but we did get stopped out. Towards the end of the last week of September, we had quite a few stop outs, right? And that's really due to the market being extremely volatile. And so that third week in the month of September really did give us a little bit of trouble. First week also gave us a little bit of trouble. 3D gave us trouble through the entire month. We traded 3D 1, 2, 3 times and lost twice of those times, but figuring out that the spaces to trade need to be much further to the north than we actually had them, right? We had them in a space that was a little bit too aggressive. Certainly overall very nice looking charts. We are seeing a lot of traps coming in where prices will trigger out and immediately reverse, and that sort of sends us into a space that is uncomfortable, right? Yeah, that's pretty uncomfortable. So what we're doing is sort of stepping back just a little bit. We re-engineered towards the end of the month and had a pretty nice run that way. Let's take a look at silver. Silver, of course, we know we trade more aggressively with silver. It's the one that we watch. Gold is the membership that you want if you are not an active trader, per se, that you can set the price, leave it, and forget it. With the silver memberships, a little bit more aggressive movement necessary. We had 31 winning segments, 10 losing segments, win rate just almost about the gold level, maybe 1% less. Our biggest winner, much higher than the gold winner, and our average winner also higher on this side. Biggest silver loser, also higher. Average silver loser, also higher. So what does this tell us? This is a more aggressive space that we sit in that ends up doing really well for us most of the time, and every once in a while we have ourselves a little bit of trouble. Notice this win rate. If we have a 75% win rate, right, meaning a 25% loss rate, and 25% of the time we're losing an average of 41.9, but 75% of the time we are winning an average of 51.1. That's pretty good for the old balances, right? We just had a gent that told us he started 5 weeks ago with the silver membership and took a $3,000 account to $5,800. And so that was really, really great. We congratulate Parag. Just such a great job following directions and doing the right thing there. Just superb. Let's take a look at the actual trades. Here we had Chihu, our biggest winner, came from Facebook, which has been a beast, continues to be a beast. Moving back into the next space, once it's held this bounce from 50, it's going to do really well. But notice some of these much bigger winners floating around here all over the place. And that was good for us. Again, that second to third week gave the charts, the triggers, a little bit of trouble. We can see these sitting right beside each other. Normally they're spread out a little bit. And so that did give us a little bit of a run in terms of giving us trouble towards the end of the month. But we seem to have brought ourselves back into a good space and knowing exactly how to adjust. Truth is, sometimes you've just got to adjust your trading triggers and your trading mechanics. And the only way you know they need adjusting is because what used to work begins to slip just a little bit, and that's what we had to do this week. But we have brought things into nice shape, and so I am really looking forward to October. It's going to be a catalyst because it just is the beginning of earnings season. We're going to see all kinds of things, and October numbers are sure to be a beauty as well. If you have any specific questions about these trades, please shoot me an email. Let me know. I'll be happy to talk to you about them in any form or fashion. And I wish you good luck trading. For those of us that are members, see how these things have run. We had a lot of trading activity, right? Lot of trading activity. That trading activity is going to continue, though probably not quite so much of it, right? We're going to try to tool in just a little bit more and figure out how it is that we're going to beat these folks at their game, because they do pop us into these regions and then, end up being reversals. We've had a lot of bear traps, a lot of bull traps in these shorter time frames, and we are getting much better at handling them. That couple of weeks was really a little bit tough, maybe a week and a half. All right, that's it